1-minute investing hacks. Hey everyone! Want to start investing but think it's too complicated or time-consuming? No worries. Today I'm sharing some quick investing hacks that make getting started a breeze. Let's dive in. Automate your investments. Hack number 1. Automate your investments. Set up automatic transfers to your investment accounts every payday. This way, you're investing consistently without even thinking about it. Apps like Acorns or Stash can round up your spare change and invest it for you. Easy, right? Use a robo-advisor. Hack number 2. Use a robo-advisor. These smart tools build and manage a diversified portfolio based on your goals and risk tolerance. All you need to do is answer a few questions and they handle the rest. Check out platforms like Betterment or Wealthfront to get started. Start with fractional shares. Hack number 3. Start with fractional shares. Don't have hundreds of dollars for a full share of Amazon or Tesla? No problem. Apps like Robinhood and M1 Finance let you buy pieces of expensive stocks with as little as $1. This way you can start investing in your favorite companies without breaking the bank. There you go. 3 simple investing hacks to get you started effortlessly. Automate, use a robo-advisor, and invest in fractional shares. Hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and let's get your money working for you. Let me know if you need any tweaks or additional ideas. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.